Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling cloud recording in the Zoom web portal because transcription requires cloud storage. Sign in, open settings, and toggle on cloud recording and audio transcript. Once done, make sure the meeting host has the needed paid account or license, otherwise transcription won't appear. You should also choose whether to autosave captions and whether participants can view them. These steps open transcription capability so that when you record the meeting, Zoom will generate an editable transcript automatically. Next, configure recording options when scheduling or starting the meeting. Select Record to Cloud and then open Advanced Options to ensure Save Captions and Auto-Transcribe are checked. This tells Zoom to run speech-to-text on the recorded audio. Once configured, start the meeting and hit Record to Cloud. Transcription begins automatically. Make sure you announce recording and transcription to participants for consent and clarity, because verbatim transcripts save spoken content. Finally, monitor the meeting audio quality, since clearer audio means more accurate transcripts. When the meeting ends, stop recording and wait for Zoom to process the cloud recording and transcript. You'll get an email or see the Recording tab. Open the recording, click Transcript to view or download the VTT or TXT file, and then edit inline to fix speaker labels and misheard words. Once corrected, export or share the final transcript with participants. If transcripts don't appear, check cloud storage limits and account permissions as a troubleshooting tip. Insufficient storage or wrong license is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.